Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're actually gonna be talking about the 5 ways you can start investing with little to no money. And also, what are some smart investments you can make so, you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone, per se. Investment number 1. Investment number 1 would be to buy a primary residence instead of renting a property and dumping $1,300 on rent and putting it into somebody else's pocket, like your landlord. And paying down your own equity in your own house and making money off of the appreciation in the long run. Other than that, you can also buy a duplex. For the people that don't know what a duplex is a property that shares the same roof, but it's split in half to 2 separate homes. You can purchase a duplex and live in one unit and rent out the other for additional income, and it can, take care of your mortgage, 80% of it or whatnot. And instead of spending $1,300 on rent, you're only spending $400, $400, or whatever it may be on paying the mortgage after taking rental income and adding it on top. Other than that, after purchasing your property, you could also create a home equity line of credit, which is necessarily you taking the money that you've paid down and the equity that you have in the property and investing it elsewhere. It could be real estate, it could be any sort of investment you want. It's your money, you could use it whenever you want. And if you don't like that aspect to it, and you're thinking about, hey, where am I gonna get this cash from, blah, blah, blah. Earlier in the video, he said, little to no money down. There's a lot of scenarios where we've negotiated the seller to pay for closing costs. So you don't have to, come up with $8,000 or whatever it may be for closing costs and concessions to purchase your first property. Other than closing costs and concessions, there's a lot of other fees that come with purchasing property. And, a good chunk of those fees would be, your down payment. There's a lot of government funding options that will help you, come up with the down payment. And if you don't qualify for the government stuff, you could probably qualify for, some lender credits and whatnot that a lot of the lenders that we work with here at Kenneth James have dealt with in the past and have used in other loans that they either are currently working on right now or that they've just recently closed or have closed on in the past, that they've saved their clients thousands of dollars than coming out of pocket that amount. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns or whatnot, my email is down below. And go ahead and leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Take care, guys.